This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to win at Valorant. First, familiarize yourself with each agent's unique abilities and how they contribute to team composition. Next, dedicate time to practicing your aim and ensuring your crosshair is always at head level. Finally, clear and concise communication with your team is crucial for coordinating pushes and defending sites. These foundational skills are essential for consistent success. Moving beyond the basics, mastering map knowledge is key. Understand common angles and choke points to gain an advantage. Smart economic management ensures you can afford powerful weapons and utility when it matters most. Always observe the enemy team's tendencies and agent picks, then adjust your strategy accordingly. This adaptability will give you a significant edge in competitive matches. Teamwork truly makes the dream work in Valorant. Use precise callouts to inform your teammates about enemy locations and intentions. Synchronize your agent abilities to create powerful combos for attacking or defending sites. Remember to always support your allies. Trading kills means you don't lose a player advantage, and holding angles together can secure rounds. To truly excel, consistently review your own gameplay. Analyze your decisions and identify areas for improvement, whether it's aim, positioning, or ability usage. A positive mindset is vital. Learn from losses and celebrate small victories. Remember, improvement is a journey. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.